Multilingual JTRT Braille Converter is a superior invention. A specialty of the software is that it used by visually impaired and sighted persons using many languages, and also it helps to remove obstacles which prevent communication between them.
This is the multilingual JTRT Braille Converter freeware for blind and sighted community using the standard keyboard to type in Braille. It facilitates conversion of text to Braille and Braille to text. Supports multi-Braille text types such as inbuilt type, index and Duxbury, and online switchover.
During the course of my work, I handle document in multi-languages. When attending to this document, it is necessary to use Braille and Unicode letters. Therefore, this multilingual Braille converter is very useful to me. Very useful it is also in exchanging correspondence and keeping in touch with other visually impaired and sighted persons.
Also, any language can be added easily to this software from the setup menu. This JTRT software is now being used to produce multilingual textbooks for the visually impaired and sighted community in a country like Sri Lanka, where the documents containing all three languages in one take a common place. This software can play a major role while handling the documents. Finally, this multilingual JTRT Braille Converter gives user-friendly assistance to another workforce in our society. This software is not only used at Jinasena Training and Rehabilitation Trust, but already it is used at many government offices. First place is the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura.
When our undergraduates prepare their assignments and tutorials, they use different languages. The multi-language Braille Converter software is very helpful to them. It is also helpful to the lecturer when marking their assignment.
The other place is the Employers Federation of Ceylon.
I have been training visually impaired persons in computer applications for a considerable period of time. The multilingual Braille Converter developed by the JTRT is extremely useful to them. The special feature in this software is that it is easy to use and can write many languages in one operation.
This software was recognized a winner at the eSwabhimani 2013 for the National Best E-Content Award under E-Inclusion and Participation category.